Hi friends, in this video related to trigonometry, first we will learn about the measurement of angle. Angle means a planar angle, angle in a plane. And in a plane, angle is defined as the inclination between two lines or two rays called sides of the angle. We are familiar with sexagesimal system of measurement of angle, and in this system the unit of angle is taken as degree, and we know that one right angle is 90 degree. So in sexagesimal system, one right angle will be 90 degree. 1 degree will be further divided into 60 equal parts, and each part will be termed in minute. So 1 degree will be equal to 60 minute, while 1 minute will again be divided into 60 equal parts, and each part will be called a second. So 1 minute, that is 1 minute, is also represented by a single dash, is equal to 60 second, and equal to 60 second is represented by 2 dash. Now it means 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 of a minute is equal to 1 by 3600 of a degree. It was about the system of measurement of angle which we are using since from 6th standard, and this system is called sexagesimal system. Now the second way of measurement of angle is circular measure, that is in 8 circle is used for defining the angle. If O is the center of circle, R is radius of circle, then angle subtended by an arc of circle at its center will be defined as angle is equal to arc upon radius. And in this system of measurement of angle, the unit of angle is radian, abbreviated as RD. So in this system, angle subtended by entire circle at its center will be angle is equal to arc length 2 pi r upon radius r, and that will be 2 pi radian. While in sexagesimal system, angle subtended by entire circle at its center will be 90 90 90, that is 360 degree. In sexagesimal system, this angle will be 360 degree. Now we come to the third system of measurement of angle, and that third system is centesimal system. In this system, one right angle is taken as 100 grad. Actually it is gradient, but in short it is written as grad or 100 G, and one grad is further divided into 100 equal parts, and each part is termed as a minute, that is 100 minute, and 1 minute is again divided into 100 equal parts, each called a second. So 100 second. Thus 1 second is equal to 1 by 100 minute is equal to 1 by 10,000 of a grad. This system is now not in use. We require only sexagesimal system and circular measure for the measurement of angle. And there will be a number of questions in first exercise of trigonometry in which you will be required to convert angle from degree to radian or from radian to degree. And for that conversion, you will be using this relation: angle subtended by circle at its center in circular measure is 2 pi radian, and this 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree in sexagesimal system. So 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree, and means pi radian is equal to 180 degree. This can also be written as pi, and instead of radian we may say C, means circular measure, and in circular measure unit is radian. So pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Now we will use this relation to convert an angle from degree to radian or from radian to degree. Now we are taking an example to understand the conversion of angle from one system of measurement to another system of measurement. In first example, we have to convert minus 47 degree 30 minute into radian, and we know that 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Since 180 degree is equal to pi radian, this implies 1 degree will be equal to pi by 180 radian, and we want to find out minus 47 degree 30 minute. This implies minus 47 degree and 30 minute means 30 divided by 60 degree is equal to pi by 180 into 47.5 minus 47.5 radian. Minus 47 degree 30 minute can be changed into complete degree, and since 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree, so 30 minute will be 30 by 60 degree, and this will give us minus 47 degree 30 minute equal to minus 47.5 degree. So minus 47 degree 30 minute will become equal to pi by 180 into minus 47.5 radian, and this implies minus 47 degree 30 minute equal to minus 47.5 into pi divided by 180 into 10 cancels, 5 9 ja 45 and 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, again 19 5 ja 95 and 36. So it will become minus 19 pi by 72 radian. So minus 47 degree 30 minute will be equal to minus 19 by 72 pi radian. Now the second part of the question, we have to convert minus 4 radian into degree. Then we know that pi radian is 180 degree, so this implies 1 radian will be 180 by pi degree, and if 1 radian is 180 by pi degree, then minus 4 radian will become equal to minus 4 into 180 upon pi degree, and this is equal to minus 720 upon 22 into 7 degree. This is equal to 360 upon 11 means minus 2520 by 11 and will be in degree. Now 11 to the 22 and we will get 3, 32, 11 to the 22 and we will be left with 10, 100, 11 9 ja 99 and we will be left with 1 plus 1 by 11 degree. 229 degree complete plus 1 by 11 degree. Now it should be written in this bracket because entire angle is negative. So this will be minus 229 degree plus 1 by 11 degree should be converted into minute, and we know that 1 degree is 60 minute, so it will become 60 by 11 minute. This is equal to minus 229 degree plus 11 5 ja 55, so 5 complete minutes plus 5 by 11 minute. Now we can convert this 5 by 11 minute into second, and we know that 1 minute is 60 seconds, so it will become minus 229 degree plus 5 minute plus 5 by 11 into 60 seconds. So this will become minus 229 degree plus 5 minute plus 300 by 11, 11 to the 22 and we will be left with 8, so 80 by 11, 11 7 ja 77 and then we will be left with 3, so means again 0.27, so we will leave it and approximately 27 seconds. So this implies minus 4 radian will be equal to minus 229 degree, 5 minute and 27 second. In this way we can convert either degree into radian or radian into degree using conversion factor that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Only this relation is to be used to convert either radian into degree or degree into radian.